Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In this video, we will see what is Toast in Android and how we could create a toast. In Android, we use Toast to display a small message that generally appear at the bottom of the mobile screen like this. Friends, for how long the toast will appear, there are two fixed times we could choose from, long and short. In long, toast will appear around 5 seconds and in short, the toast will appear for around 3 seconds. Let's see with an example. I have created a new project in Android Studio. On clicking a button, we will show a toast message. In main activity XML file, I am creating a button ID toast button text show toast. In the main activity onCreate method, we have set onClick listener on the button and inside it toast.makeText. First parameter context this. In the second parameter, we will give the message that we want to show in toast. And in the third parameter, the duration. First, we will see long duration toast.length long. After that, .show. Now we could run the app. On clicking the button show toast, we could see the toast message appearing for around 5 seconds and then disappears. Now let's see short time toast.length short. Again, on running the app and clicking the button, toast message is appearing for around 3 seconds. That is how we could create a toast. If this video is helpful, please give a like and do subscribe to the channel to keep watching my videos. See you in another video. Till then, bye and take care.